Okay, I wrote these on here like this just for the sake of room so you can see them both. Those can be tough for me to show my work. So let me just go ahead and say x is less than or equal to 3, or x is greater than 12. Okay, so I will go off to the side. Let me see, minus 3 divided by 3. Yeah, good. Okay, so let me go off to the side to finish this. Okay, x is less than, or there's 3, and there's 12. So, does 0 fit either of those qualifications? Yeah, it's less than 3. So that's okay. I'm going to include over here. Think of some number in the middle here, like 10. Does 10 fit either of those situations? Is 10 less than 3 or 10 greater than 12? No. And so let's look at the end. Let's think of a number over here. 1 million, billion, quadrillion. Is 1 million, billion, quadrillion less than or equal to 3? No. Is it greater than 12? Yes. So it fits one or the other. Beautiful. I love it. Looks good. Okay, let's look at this and one. I just have a little bit of work to do on it. Let's add that 7, add that 7, you add that 7. Okay, so I have 0 and 17. 0 at 17. Okay, let's test that out. It's got to be, this is an and, so let's look at some number over here, like negative 3. Negative 3 is less than 0, but negative 3 isn't greater than 17. So it doesn't fit both of those qualifications. It has to be and for both, so that's a no. Some number in here. Let's try 5. Is 5 less than 0? Is 5 greater than 17? That's no and no, so no there. And some number over here like 25. Is 25 less than or equal to 0? No. Is 25 greater than 17? No. Well, everything came out to be a no. So there is just no answer here. No answer. No solution. Okay? And in retrospect, when I look back, even 0 isn't a solution here. This should not really be filled in. And I realize that now. I'm of course going to do that initially, because it'll usually work. But now I can see, wait a minute, there is no solution at all here. 0 doesn't even work. 0 is less than or equal to 0, which is why I put it there. But 0 isn't greater than 17. Now, you don't normally have to check that, because if it's not going to work, you'll get a weird case like this. You don't have to think about that as you're starting. But if you get to the end and there's no solution, or sometimes it's all numbers, you can fill in the whole thing, then go ahead and do that. Ignore what you did at the beginning with those dots. So every now and then you'll see a weird one like that. Beautiful. Let's see. We're going to be on page 204. 9 through 37 odd.